Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Below is an informative tutorial on how to check the Flask version in Python along with code examples. Flask is a popular Python web framework used for building web applications. It's essential to know the version of Flask installed in your environment, especially when working with Flask-based projects. This tutorial will guide you through checking the Flask version programmatically using Python. Before proceeding, ensure you have the following installed. You can check the Flask version using Python's package management tool called pip. Open your terminal or command prompt and execute the following command. This command will display detailed information about the Flask package installed, including its version. If you want to programmatically check the Flask version within your Python script or application, you can use the flask__version__ attribute. Here's a simple Python script demonstrating how to do this. Save this script to a file, for example, check_flask_version.py, and run it using Python. This script will output the version of Flask installed in your environment. It's essential to ensure that your code works across different Flask versions, especially if you're developing a library or a widely used application. You can use version comparison techniques to handle version-specific behaviors or features. Here's an example of how you can perform version checks within your code. In this tutorial, you learned how to check the Flask version both from the command line and programmatically within a Python script. Knowing the Flask version is crucial for compatibility and ensuring that your code behaves as expected across different Flask versions. Now, you should be able to easily determine the Flask version in your Python environment for any Flask-based project. Feel free to customize the tutorial as needed, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any further questions. ChatGPT